Let me show you how to fix WhatsApp status not showing on your iPhone. This is usually an issue with your privacy settings. I'll show you how to fix it. Now, first just close out of the WhatsApp app and open up your settings. Within the settings, we need to get specifically to the settings associated with WhatsApp. We're going to check on that first to see if everything is turned on. So the first thing that we need to make sure is to allow full access to your contacts so that you're able to see all of those statuses. But that's not everything. We also need to make sure all of the notifications are turned on, as well as live activities and cell data. Make sure you turn on all of this and then check to see if those statuses or updates are working. If they're still not showing up, let's head into the App Store and then just find WhatsApp on this list. Essentially, we're going to check to see if there's an update available to the WhatsApp Messenger. If there is, just tap on the update button. But if there isn't, there is a way to force update it and refresh the app. Essentially, just get into your settings and we'll go to your iPhone storage. On here, we're going to find the WhatsApp app on this list. So just scroll down until you find WhatsApp. And we're going to just choose to offload and reinstall this app. What this does is it force updates it to the latest version, but more importantly, it clears out all of the cache and temporary files for the app. After it's done reinstalling the app, it will be the latest version and a lot of times fix bugs and glitches in the app. Just open it up and it'll be working normally.